By a show of hands, how many of y'all care about someone? My name is Jacoby Seaborn, and today I will be talking about the importance of communication in a relationship. Today I will discuss how human communication is essential to stabilize and maintain a healthy relationship. First, I will discuss many and actually a couple of research studies on communication and relationship. A couple of newspaper articles I found and decided to break down. And today we will be talking about what I found in those studies and actually how you can apply that information into your own life. And for me personally, how I can apply that into a relationship that I have with my best friend. So to talk about those research studies I briefly mentioned, in a research study by Carrie Cooksey called The Relationship and Communication, it was basically a research study about relationships and communication and provides us with in more depth detail between the correlation between the amount of communication and the happiness. More communication, more happiness goes hand in hand. It also relates to the topic of the importance of communication in a relationship. In chapter 3, what it actually discusses a scientific breakdown about our emotions, which dictates how we feel in terms of needing more, feeling good, in terms of where your communication is at in that actual relationship. And it's very, very important. Those two things go hand in hand for sure. Um, the hypothesis that I found in that research was always check up on another person. Any little thing that y'all have uncertain, always talk it out and just get on good grounds with each other. You can never go wrong with that. What the research found that a recurring theme is the importance of a clear and ongoing communication. The researchers also found when managing multiple complex health problems, the problems of relationship and communication rise abundantly. They stated one of the best ways of communication that can help the other person is by physically being there for them when they're going through this mentally rough time. So just physically being there for them can do so much for a person, and we don't even realize it. So, that's why I always say to check up on those you love, and that you truly care about. Because, you never know how much just that small ounce of physical emotion can truly benefit them. Now I also wanted to talk about how I applied it with my relationship. My relationship with my best friend. We've been doing this like a long distance friendship because we go to two different colleges. We can't see each other every day like we have since we were a kid, going all the way through high school, right? So what I learned was we both are very busy right now, and some time apart can actually make us stronger because when it's time to come, we can talk about things we've learned, skills, and just build off of one another. We're both chasing our dreams, and we're both happy at our current state, which is important, very important. And what I concluded from our long distance relationship was, as long as we understand the reason as to why we're having like so much lack of communication, we'll be just fine. If we understand, like together, we're both on good terms, then there's nothing to worry about. Understanding that, we both share 50% of the responsibility. This is a friendship. 50% on him, 50% on me. And then, that means anybody can reach out to each other. It doesn't have to be me reaching out. It doesn't have to be him reaching out. So understanding that we both can do so is very important. And, today's presentation, I hope you guys can take something away from it. Something very important that I want to leave you guys with is the fact that, how does it feel when somebody tells you happy birthday? Even somebody you don't talk to as much, it feels amazing, right? So these little communication skills and keys, just take them with you. It will better your relationships every day. And thank you guys so much.